And in Maryland, health officials say they were giving families information about a coronavirus outbreak. This was inside a Charles County Senior Living Facility, but one family is disputing those claims. Fox 5's Melanie Almec now joins us live with more on this. Hi, Melanie.
Hey, and look, this has been a big problem in Maryland, and it's been a problem in other states as well. Maryland has 150 facilities right now that have positive coronavirus cases, and they've deployed strike teams to assist the different counties at those senior living facilities where needed. And the man charged with leading the response in Charles County says that families are getting information, but we spoke to grieving relatives who say they were kept in the dark about the outbreak at Sagepoint Living in La Plata until it was too late. So they tell us, these families tell us, they didn't know there was an outbreak. Local fire and rescue say they've been running up to a dozen calls a day there at this facility. This weekend, Charles County said it had 101 COVID-19 cases across its nursing homes and assisted living facilities in the county. Now, according to a government official, 96 of those were connected to Sagepoint, which runs 2 facilities in Charles County, but the county did not disclose the number of deaths. We asked Dr. Howard Haft, who's leading the response in Charles County, why specific data isn't being made public. You're about to hear from him and the family member that we spoke to.
So the primary reason that we're not specific about details is because of privacy and confidentiality issues. As I'm sure you understand, people who are in nursing homes are residents. They're not patients. This is where they live. It's their home, just like I see you here in your home.
Families deserve to know what's going on with their family members. Those people are helpless, and the families need to know what's going on. We didn't have any time. We couldn't talk with her. We couldn't see her. I can't have a funeral. And I've yet to hear from Sagepoint. And it's just very, very frustrating.
Now, that family member did ask us to disguise his voice. As Sagepoint says that they've been putting all the information, the pertinent information, on its website. But all of those, really, there was only one notification of a single positive case back on March 30th. And then all the subsequent communication simply said that people had been tested and talked about the outbreaks at the number of facilities in the state of Maryland, though they say they have been talking individually to families when patients do test positive. Now, we've seen different levels of communication on this in Maryland. Montgomery County and Carroll County have reported facility-specific information, the District of Columbia as well, but it is certainly not consistent county to county or state to state.
7:04, there are now more than